Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 2nd. This is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So anyways, gold pretty much continuing to be extremely sideways. Very sideways price action on gold really for the last couple months. But it actually is playing out pretty much exactly as we planned. And I think at this point there's probably like three waves down for A, like a 1, 2, 3. I think this is likely three waves up for wave B. And I think likely we are going to go down quite a bit further, probably more likely to the 61.8, maybe even the 78.6 to make a wave C. I think this is either an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. I think this 5 waves up over here is either a wave A or a wave 1. I think once we bounce from a fib level break starts to the upside, that should confirm the end of a wave 2 and or the end of a wave B, I guess, and the continuation of the uptrend for either a wave 3 or a wave C. I'm definitely leaning towards 1, 2, 3, but we'll just have to wait and see what the market decides to do and what the market decides to tell us what it's going to do next. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.